Please stop using I want. Want is very demanding, like I want this, I want that. Right? It's very demanding. Remember, want never gets. So use these alternatives instead. Ready? Let's go then. I would like something. I would like something. I would like a cup of coffee. I would like a cup of coffee. Could I please have? Could I please have? Could I please have? Could I please have your phone number? Could I please have your phone number? I feel like doing something. I feel like learning English today. I feel like learning English today. Crave for something. Crave for something. I'm craving for an ice cream. I am craving for an ice cream. I'm craving for an ice cream. I have an eye on something or somebody. I have an eye on something or somebody. I have an eye on that boy. I have an eye on that boy. And now the last one. My kingdom for something or somebody. My kingdom for something or somebody. What does it mean? It means I would give up everything to get what I want. For example, my kingdom for you. My kingdom for pizza. My kingdom for pasta. Like that. Okay, everyone. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks a million. Love you all. Have a good day. Bye.